inside Tommy Hilfiger's lavish Greenwich estate. When your name is practically synonymous with premium style, the expectations surrounding where you choose to live, as well as how you choose to furnish the pad, will naturally be high. The former estate of fashion mogul Tommy Hilfiger, located at Round Hill Road in Greenwich, Connecticut, certainly lives up to the standards set by himself and others. This iconic Stonehill estate is situated on 8 acres of lush Connecticut land, offering over 14,000 square feet distributed across 3 stories, and offers an unparalleled, sophisticated lifestyle. Impressive Georgian scale is woven throughout this exquisite manse, starting with the pleached linden tree-lined drive into the grand center hall, and within each of the 20 distinctly designed rooms. In addition to the 16 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, and 3 gated entries, as you'd expect from both a property of this caliber and a man of Hilfiger's reputation, the Greenwich estate in question is outfitted with luxurious features of architectural note, offering an entire array of resort-like amenities. Every area of the home is endowed with unique and glamorous architectural notes. Standout features include a dining room, which comfortably seats 40 guests, a signature 2-story great room, generous entertaining spaces, professionally fitted kitchen showcasing all of the latest appliances, and a luxurious master suite with fireplace, spa bath, and dressing rooms. Where Stonehill kicks it up a notch is in the gym, with an indoor half-court, massage room, synthetic turf tennis court, meticulously manicured gardens, and pleached linden tree-lined driveway. The immaculate exteriors incorporate a luxe pool, pool house, and mature gardens. The grounds also include a 4-bedroom guest house, 3-bedroom cottage, and another 2-bedroom cottage.